Help! Fire! Fire!
Hi, my name is Ho. Our kampung is on fire. Can you help us before the firemen arrive? Learn some prepositions to help put out the fire in our kampung. Click on the arrow to begin.
Preposition. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word that links a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase to other parts of the sentence. Prepositions are usually used to show direction, place, or time. A preposition of direction is used to show where something is going. A preposition of place is used to show where something is. A preposition of time is used to show when something is taking place. Today, we will learn a few prepositions. Click on the arrow to continue. Let's learn 3 prepositions from the story and see how they are used in sentences. Through, around, between. Click on each word to learn about it. Through. To move in a space or an area with things on all sides. They ran towards the crowd of people charging through the narrow spaces between the flimsy houses.